So good day, sir. So I'm gonna discuss about the water watertight integrity and the importance of keeping it within the ship. What watertight integrity refers to a ship ability to prevent water from entering its hull and internal compartment. This is achieved through proper design like waterway, bulkhead, deck, and doors, and by keeping all opening hatches, valves, pipes, and access points securely closed, well maintained. So nako sinay why watertight watertight integrity is important. So na nila makabuk sir. One is prevent flooding. Waterway integrity ensures that water cannot enter the ship if the hull is damaged. Waterway compartment limits the spread of water preventing the enter the vessel flooding. So ang ganing prevent flooding series maknanay if the hull is damaged, the waterway compartments mo spread of water preventing the entire vessel from flooding. So number 2 is maintain stability. When water enters a ship, it affects balance and can cause listing, leaning, or even capsizing. Keeping compartments dry helps maintain proper stability and trim. So number 3 is enhance safety of crew and cargo. By keeping water out, the ship remains safe for the crew and protect cargo from damage, flooding, and lead to dangerous situation on board.
Ensured buoyancy a ship of float because it displays water too much water enter buoyancy is reduced in the ship may sink water strength integrity resins with this floating ability. Number 5 supports damage control in emergency like conclusion or grounding. Water tank section helps insulate damage area. This gives the crew times of to respond and control the situation. How to maintain water tank integrity. Keep water tank doors or closed when not in use regularly. Inspect seals, gasket, and fittings. Ensure valve, valves and pilines and properly secured. Immediate repair any cracks, corrosions, or damage followed. Strength operational procedures during voyage.